Trying to pot it in the side, which he does. Where's the blue 2? Is he going to get a look? You see, I mean, you know what? Now this is very thin. Don't know if this is potable. If not, it will be safe. Let it go. Oh, he needs a bit of luck here. He needs a bit of luck. Oh wow, what a shot there from Landon to stay at the table when he was in a spot of bother. Another good pot, and this is going to be ideal, Phil. Cue ball back in ideal position. He's fighting hard in rack 1. Don't run short with the cue ball here. Make sure you get in the middle of the table. Like so.
Just how enterprising and enthusiastic he is.
Yeah, obviously, you know, he must feel comfortable enough to play. There's no way they've been sat on an aeroplane.
Taken this rack out superbly.
Yeah, I think there's some of these boys in the team. Let's see what they got. Why not?
Well done.
Okay, breaks with power, and he's going to get a look at the blue 2. Where's the 6th ball going to finish? Against the world's best. All the balls are in the open. You know, if this was a practice rack, I'm sure Landon would. Kind of looks like it drops in that side. Draw it in between them 2 balls. Yeah, he can. That's what he's played, and he's nailed it. It was all about this ball. We didn't know if it would drop in the side easy, but it does.
Peebo Bryson was tonight I celebrate my love. Well, I'll tell you what, if Landon Hollingsworth continues to play like this, he'll be celebrating a victory over Carlo Biado, and a notable one. This is a terrific start.
He's losing the cue ball a little bit, but he is breaking at full power past that 8 ball. Which he does.
Carlo Biado will be equally impressed, maybe more than impressed, maybe concerned.
America need help in the Moscone Cup. Things are just not happening. You know, they've been beat many times over. Interesting decision here. He's going to risk it, or he's going to take his medicine. Yeah, he took his medicine. Biggest shot of the match so far. This will keep Biado glued to the chair. He may not even be going for the pot. Oh, okay, he's got a bit of patience. Cubo was trying to get in behind the end. Trying to kick this ball in. Often he does kick him in as well. Still a good shot because he's left distance. Just cue this ball in. This will make him feel 10 feet tall. Needs a bit of help. Needs a bit of help.
Biado here requires 2 gaps, and he's got them. The gap to get past the 9 with the cue ball, then the gap to knock in the 7. He's about, you would think, to get off the mark. It really was Lovely stuff.
His work, which he can, because where they pin 4 ballers. Good look at his cue action. It's very straight. Moves a little bit. Most of us. That's why he's forced the cue ball out to centre of the table. He's played for the bank. Yeah, there you see. He's pretty good on this bank though. One thing's for certain, he'll go close, he'll definitely get a point. And it's gone in. Where's the cue ball, Phil? Oh no, he's forgot about his rock. He's just forgot about the cue ball. To stun it 2 rails and go in. It's not bad luck. It's a bad shot.
A rack at this level against a player of Biado's class. It's essentially the ball and the green 6 are located.
Juice on the cue ball to separate the balls. Okay. Look at that, it's pretty straight in actually. Yep, there you go, fires it in.
Win or lose, I think he's shown already, Hollingsworth, he's not frightened to attack, to play with freedom. The cue action is good. And now he's back on level terms.
This is all because of the scratch.
Yes, and it must be remembered in the 4th rack. The bridge, sometimes you have to take your extension. That's what Biado did there. Mind you, with only 3, now 2 balls on the table, it's hardly a gamble.
He's about to edge in front.
Yes, for the
hard work. You could argue the very first shot was the most difficult of the. Gotta just dig this one in. That's pacey. That is pacey. He's lost it. Carlo Biado special there. He does that so many times. Don't be fooled thinking he's fluked the ball. Take a look at this.
Well, the acknowledged luck. Immediately the 3 went in, but of course there's always the chance of that kind of thing happening because When it comes to kicking, he's so accurate.
The way he did, to separate the balls and give the three a chance. What a shot, what a poke, what a kick. Shot of the match. Picked up his pace as well here.
Due to visa issues, the Filipino contingent in this tournament has been rather decimated. No James Arenas, no Johan Chua, no Jeffrey Rodder, no Anton Raga. Maybe Biado will...
Got to slide past the 2-ball, hasn't he, for the same bag. That's
Jack McDermott, 3 balls away from an 8-1 win.
Can you believe he's put the cue ball there, anywhere?
As promised, here's the end of Glont McDermott, or at least the Romanians hoping it will be the end, and now it should be.
What a mistake from Hollingsworth there.
You know, if they ever did a remake of You Disgrace.
Had to get it in, sorry buddy. Oh, thought he'd missed the pot. Didn't go in clean, but he's got in, but he's lost a cue ball. Seems nobody wants to get a... Isn't it amazing, Phil? He just can't control the cue ball, and even when he scraps, that comes down to can't control the cue ball.
Capable of a shock victory. That's a ball that Biado might regret.
Off the 1 rail. May go 2 rails. Yeah, 1 rail's fine. Yeah, he could avoid the 9. That was the...
Also in a good spot, Torsten Homan.
I mean, this rack should be over, but just the way the last 3 or 4 have gone, you don't really want to mark it down yet, do you? But
it is not a classical cue action. Six-4.
does he get a look at the red 3? I believe he does. You almost get the impression Carlo knows he's kind of like 3 or 4 up, and just get the impression he ain't going to make the same mistake twice.
Yeah, the initial burst from Hollingsworth, he played 2 brilliant racks to begin the match. It is the first 3 rack gap.
How's the pace? It looks good at a glance, but where's the pink 4 finished? Yeah, you're never quite sure where the cue ball's going to finish, but he can get a little bit of control. Well, this is plump. Wow. Control the cue ball, and boy, did he control it. Look at this.
As Carl said, he's absolutely in prime position to reach the hill.
He's kicked on, hasn't he, Phil? With a little bit of help from his opponent, it has to be said. But it's this 9 to be on the hill.
Yes.
Carlo Biado to break. He made the 1 in his previous. Where's the cue ball again? This has been insane, this match. How many?
Never in doubt. So
yeah, good cross bank. Could just see enough of the pink ball to play it.
deliver the cue at the last second, literally.
Centre of the table is good enough. Just don't underhit this ball. Don't want to overhit it as well. May have to go twice across. Yeah, he did. Hanging on in there. He's making a game of this. 8-6. We've seen many a match won from 8-6 down. He's had a go. Oh, it was actually alright.
Breeze to battle.
He's got to come past the 4 ball, the potting line. He knew that. As long as he's got an angle, finding the rail, the fact that he's got an angle means he can come down for the brown 7. That's absolutely perfect.
From 8-5 down, he now trails only 8-7, a little over 3 months ago.
His cue ball's flying around. 2, 3 rails, maybe play for the red onto the pink 4 as a combo. Just make sure here, don't think, oh, I'm good here. Give this a lot of respect, this show. nice on the purple 5. That makes life easy getting on the green 6. Once he gets on the green 6, it's easy work. That's ideal. He can come down for the green 6 in the middle now.
And ever since Hollingsworth has had a second wind.
Just needs to slow down. Just let up off the cue there. Leave the cue ball up there. Just make sure you pot this 8. Well, he fired it in. And he didn't really get any better on the 9.
Oh, what a way to lose a match.